What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, safe, and germ-free, prosperous day, you guys. I love you so much. Thanks for being here. Y'all, this is some serious stuff going on. They just told me I might have to start working from home. I don't know. I don't know. That's all I'm going to say on that. But, yeah, it's getting real, y'all. It's already real, but some people are really not taking it serious. And they think I'm being funny at work when I'm like, okay, don't touch me. You know, like, seriously, stay a distance. I know we work in the same room, but there is a rule out right now to keep this thing from spreading. And some people are just like, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. No, I don't want to take that chance. You know, God is in control, but God gives me common sense when somebody tells me that there's a snake at the bottom of my foot, not to stand there and let it bite me. Okay, okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. But back on a lighter note, we're just hardening off some of our plants. And this is just going to be a quick video update for you guys so you can keep up with what I'm doing. Some people say, Randy, you haven't been making a video every day. No, I have not. I've been focusing on this coronavirus and getting my garden together. So I've been working and I can't hold the camera and I can't talk at the same time. I had to do some digging and some soul searching, y'all. Figure out what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it. But yep, and you know what we said, hardening our plants off are just getting them used to being outside. So you guys, I'm going to give you a 2-week update. And then I'm going to try to leave a link to the video that I made 2 weeks ago. When I planted this instant garden, I was telling you how to make this garden. I dug it up and right before your very eyes. And then in 2 weeks, this is what you should be getting. Okay? These are radish from the Baker Creek Radish Seed Collection. It was a big packet of all different types of seeds, y'all. Look at these. 2 weeks. 2 weeks worth of growth, and they're going all the way across. Remember, we did the 2 radish rows in the middle, and I've been thinning them out, which means you see like all of these are clustered together. They won't grow that well, so take out the one that doesn't look that good. If you can pinch it off, pinch it off. See, it's 2 right here. You see it? Pinch it off. That other one, the one that's not as big, because they're not going to grow if they're too close together, because they know, hey, something's beside me. I can't grow as big as I want. But yeah, you guys, look, radish. And they're getting their true leaves. One of the quickest seeds you can grow. And I need to thin them out. I hate thinning. I had some comments, other people saying they hate thinning too. It makes me feel so bad. Ow! I love you guys. And there's the lettuce. And you know, I put a lot of seeds in the ground, you guys. I want to get this soil tested now. You know, I'm testing seeds. I dropped some other seeds in here too. Look at all around here. This is up in my garden already, y'all. 2020, Skinny Boy Randy, gardening with me. And this is coming up out of my garden bed so far. And what I did was I dropped some seeds all over in different places. I want to see what part of the soil receives the seeds the best and what works best. As you can see, look, some radish over here. See, I hate to thin these two. Because they too, I'm letting them grow. All right, you gotta get rid of one. Shoot. I gotta get rid of one. Shoot. I ain't gonna say the other word, y'all. Okay, okay. But yep, this is already in our garden. These are some microgreens from Dollar Tree. Just threw in the ground. Yep. And over here, that's a corn bed I'm digging up, y'all. Where I've dug up, just gonna get some of those rocks out and put some nitrogen in it. I may even use the coffee grinds. They say the coffee grinds raises the nitrogen level in the soil. Corn loves nitrogen. Look, this is the other bed, y'all. And I told you I just dropped some seeds over here too. And they're coming up in the garden bed. So when you plant your seeds, you guys, in about 2 weeks, you should start seeing things. Okay? Look at our zucchini we put in the ground. This is from inside of the Jiffy pot. I put it in there like 2 days ago. You guys saw me. It's taken to the soil quite well. Raised bed. Now see, this is totally filled with non-Mother Nature soil. And look at these radish. Do you see a difference? I think some of the ones in the ground over there are bigger And I planted this bed first, I believe. I did this raised bed before I did the big bed over there. Yeah. But we know that things can grow in here. Some more lettuce. So yeah, you guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. It's beautiful out here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Hope you're staying safe from coronavirus, you guys. It's very serious. Wash your hands. Don't expose others. Take it serious. If a person don't want you to touch them or hug on them, please respect their boundaries, okay? It's nothing personal. It's just something really going around. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. And wash your hands. I love you. You're the best. Start planning your food, y'all. Start planning your food. Love you.